I'm going to be showing you how to create an Etsy seller account. So it's really easy, so let's get right into it. So the first thing you need to do is open any browser that you have. I'm going to be using Safari, but it's completely up to you what you choose. And once you're there, you just need to go to Etsy's official website, which is www.etsy.com. So once you find it, you should see something like this. So now what you need to do is look at the top right where you could see this profile-like option right here. Just go ahead and tap there. And once you do, you'll see something like this. So this is the option to sign in, but since you're trying to register, you just need to tap here right there. So now all you need to do is enter your email address, your first name, and your password, and you can register normally. But if you would rather prefer to continue with Apple ID or your Google ID or even your Facebook account, you have the option to do that as well. I'm going to be choosing Google. So as you can see, I've successfully signed in. So this becomes your login for selling too. So now what we need to do is start your shop. So now you need to go to etsy.com/sell. So this is it. Now all you need to do is tap on get started, and Etsy will guide you step by step, so don't rush this part. So now all you need to do is shop preferences. So just tap on let's do this. Just enter what categories you're interested in, like vintage, handmade, or digital. You could select all of them as well and tap on next. And now for the fun part, you just need to tap on start your shop. So now all you need to do is add your shop language. You can choose English, Dutch, Espanol, Francais, and many more. I'm going to be using English, and you can just select your shop country as well, enter your currency as well, and then tap on save and continue. Now just enter the name of your shop and then tap on save and continue. Now you just need to enter your payment methods, like how you'll get paid, the location of your bank, country of residence, and then you can just connect with your Pioneer account, and then you can just tap on save and continue, and you're good to go. So in this way, you'll successfully be able to create an Etsy seller account. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.